Stop. Whoops. Hello. My name is Mr. Henry, and I am going to be your world history teacher if you have me for first semester, so starting next week, or I'll be your world history and civics and economics teacher if I have you second semester, starting next year. Um, this is not ideal when it comes to meeting your professor, but it's kind of what you gotta do when you're living in a global pandemic. Yeah, but I don't make the rules. I just follow 'em. A little bit about me. This is going to be my sixth year teaching, I believe. Time flies, man. Time flies. Yeah, this will be my sixth year teaching. Um, yeah, this will be my sixth year teaching. Um, I went to the University of North Carolina, so I bleed Carolina blue. If any of you are Duke fans, I will fail you. Simple as that. I'm not gonna argue back and forth with you about this. I'm just gonna fail you. Um, I love basketball. I tried to play whenever I could. Um, Definitely every Saturday, unless I had to work. Um, I was at one of the Ys I used to play. But with all this, coronavirus stuff going on, I haven't been able to play since, wow, it's been 6 months since I've actually played. I've only dribbled a ball one time when I was playing with my nephew in the backyard. I'm gonna be so bad when we start back up. Uh, but I've been telling everybody, anyone who shoots over 40% in that first game, in like the first 2 weeks, when we're able to like play sports regularly, like normal, like back in gyms and stuff, if you shoot over 40%, you haven't been quarantining. You weren't flattening the curve. That's facts. That's just straight facts. But yeah, so let's see, 6 year teaching, went to the greatest school on earth. Because everybody knows God was a Tar Heel, because otherwise, why would the sky be Carolina blue? Um, Basketball. I'm from Charlotte. I actually went to East Meck myself, and now I'm teaching here. Um, Currently, I am taking classes at UNCG to work towards my master's degree in history because I want to move past high school, either teach at the community college level or get my doctorate and teach at the college level. That is my dream, to teach ancient history or teach the antiquities at community college or at um, four-year university. That is my goal. So I've been actively working towards that. So I'll be taking classes while you're taking classes. Um, so let's get A's together out here, right? Yeah, yeah. Um, let's see. I am a PlayStation man. I don't touch the Xbox. It is disgusting. Only PS4s. Can't wait for the PS5. I've been saving up money so I can get that real quick. Um, I do not play sports games because I can play sports myself. I don't need to buy 2K. I can just go play basketball. And I think it's a money steal that they use to snatch $60 out of everybody's hands every year. But I can elaborate that on later. You can ask me those questions later. Let me see some more things about me. Um, I don't have children. I am not married. Uh, I don't even know if I want children. Who knows? Um, who knows how things will play out? But either way, these are just some random things about me. I am excited for you to be in my class, to go on this virtual journey for an entire, well, at least for the foreseeable future. This will be my first experience with it, teaching like this outside of what we did at the end of, uh, for the end of third quarter and all of fourth quarter last school year. Um, if you have any questions about the class before we begin, you can probably email me at danielj.henry at cms.k12.nc.us. There'll be multiple ways for you to contact me throughout the school year, through email, through Remind, things like that. So please just make sure you're on them. I will not oversaturate you with messages. It will just be to remind you of things like homework or tests, so on and so forth. And please remember there is a virtual open house. Um, well, it depends on when you're seeing this. If you're seeing this at the first week of school, the open house has already happened. But either way, nice to meet you all. And there's a getting to know you activity. You can either do a collage, a virtual collage, or a Google slide, where you just give me a little information about yourself so I can know who these strangers are that I will be teaching. Nice to meet you. And remember to always wear your mask when out and about.